I think looking new ways to delight the customers and surprise them, whether it's, revamping the room, having like a balloon boy on Sundays, doing different things, trying new recipes and seeing what works. When they asked me for their advice, I said it's like a recipe for small business. 2 parts market knowledge, 1 part customer analysis, 3 cups customer satisfaction, 2 tablespoons financial projections, 1 cup expense tracking, 2 tablespoons adaptability, 3 tablespoons digital marketing, and a sprinkle of social media creativity. But I think it's really, don't follow all the steps like I was just saying. I think it's taste as you go. You have to take what you know and mix a little bit with trying new things and doing new flavors and testing new things out. I think that's what's the most important thing. But the recipe is very important, but I think it's okay to go off the book a little bit.